Australia Study Visa 2026 Step-by-Step Guide. Avoid costly refusals instantly. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're planning to study in Australia in 2026, then this video is for you. Today, I'll explain the latest Australia Study Visa 2026 updates and, more importantly, how to avoid refusals step by step. So make sure to watch till the end, because missing even one step could cost you your visa. Let's start with what's changing. In 2026, Australia is tightening its student visa process again. The government wants to make sure that only genuine international students come to study, not people using study visas as a shortcut to permanent residency. This means your application must be clear, consistent, and genuine. The biggest change for 2026 is the Genuine Student GS test, which replaces the old GTE requirement. Now, instead of writing long essays, you must prove your real intention to study by showing your course awareness, future plans, and genuine reasons for choosing Australia. Immigration officers will focus on whether your story is realistic and consistent with your background. Now let's talk about the number one reason for refusals: weak or inconsistent documentation. If your academic background, chosen course, or financial papers don't match, that's a red flag. So, step 1. Prepare your documents properly. Make sure your academic transcripts, English test scores, financial documents, and statement of purpose SOP are accurate and up to date. Your financial papers must show that you can cover tuition, living costs, and accommodation for at least a year, without depending on work in Australia. Step 2. Choose a relevant course. If you studied business, but suddenly apply for a nursing course, visa officers might doubt your intention. Always pick a program that matches your previous education or career path. If you're switching fields, give a clear and logical reason in your SOP. Speaking of SOP, that's step 3. Your statement of purpose is your story. Explain clearly why you chose Australia, that specific course, and your chosen university. Also mention how this qualification fits your future career plans. Avoid copy-paste templates. Make it personal, logical, and unique. Visa officers can easily detect generic writing. Step 4. Meet the new financial requirements. From 2026, ULINEs need to show genuine proof of funds covering at least 12 months of tuition and living costs. Fake or last-minute bank statements won't work. Provide strong financial evidence like bank history, sponsor income proof, or a valid education loan. Remember, financial stability equals genuine intention. Step 5. English language proof. The minimum IELTS and PTE scores are slightly higher now. For a bachelor's or master's course, you should aim for IELTS 6.5 overall with no band less than 6.0, or an equivalent PTE score. Better English results also improve your university admission chances and scholarship eligibility. Step 6. Show strong ties to your home country. This is very important. Officers want to know you'll return home after graduation. Mention your family connections, property ownership, or a job opportunity back home. If possible, include a letter from an employer or company expressing future interest in hiring you after your studies. Step 7. Health insurance. Don't forget to buy overseas student health cover (OSHC) for the entire course duration. Missing this requirement can delay or even reject your visa. Always attach the proof of coverage with your application. Let's talk about interviews for a moment. Not all students are interviewed, but if you are, keep calm. They'll usually ask about your course, university, and financial situation. Just be honest and consistent with your documents. Officers are trained to spot fake, memorized answers. Now here's a pro tip to apply early. 2026 will be a busy year as more universities reopen to international students. Applying early gives you time to fix issues, meet requirements, and secure your seat. Late applications often face document rush and limited university options. Another important reminder: always use official sources. Rely only on your university's official website or the Australian government's site, Home Affairs, Gov. Be cautious of agents or websites promising guaranteed visas or no IELTS required. Those are red flags. There are no shortcuts, only well-prepared, genuine applications get approved. Let's quickly recap. To get your Australia Study Visa 2026, focus on these steps. Prepare accurate and complete documents. Choose a relevant and logical course. Write a genuine, personalised SOP. Provide solid financial proof. Meet the updated English requirements. Show your ties to your home country. Include valid health insurance. Apply early through trusted sources. If you follow these 8 steps, your chances of approval will be much higher. And you lines be well on your way to starting your studies in Australia with confidence. That's all for today's video. I hope this helped you understand what's new with the Australia Study Visa 2026 and how to avoid refusals step by step. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel for more updates, and drop a comment below telling me which part of the process worries you most. Our lines cover it in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.